Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use order flow analysis on your TradingView account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, I assume that you have already logged into your TradingView account. After logging in, you will see this kind of interface on your screen. Now, all you gotta do is look on your top left corner of your screen and you'll find indicators. Just click it and search order flow analysis. After searching, you'll find order flow analysis under community on the top of your search list. Just click it. That's how you can set your order flow analysis on your TradingView account. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks would be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.